This is a 2003 Bayliner. This 17-foot bow rider. It's equipped with a 3-liter Mercruiser engine. It's rated for 7 people. Nice seating in the bow, walk-through windshield. Reclining seats. The Alpha 1 motor. Comes with matching trailer. There's a tear in the seat there. Other than that, great for little first boat. Get the family on the water. And enjoy your summer.